Welcome to the Hipsters. I just want to take you very quickly through this course so that you know what you can expect. We are going to make a pair of trousers which has a concealed zip closure, which isn't hard once you know how to do it, and I'm going to show you exactly how that works. There are no darts in these pants. They actually end about 4 centimeters below your waist, so we can have a look at mine here. So this is where my waist would be, and then I've got it a little bit lower. This makes it so much easier for us to sew this up because we don't need that dart, and of course that makes it faster. We're also going to do some understitching to create this really firm edge at the top of the pants. Maybe you have done it before, maybe not, but let's learn about that. And then we're just going to put them together. It's a very simple project that any beginner can do as well. The course is divided up into 6 chapters, so you're going to learn everything about the pants and the pattern for it, and how to change it if you've got a problem figure so that you can make it just right for you. Then we're going to talk very quickly about the cutting out so that you don't have a problem there. And then we're going to move on through the making stages, chapter by chapter, until we arrive at the hems and finish the pair of pants. I hope you're really going to enjoy this course. So without further ado, I'd say jump on over to our first chapter.